Just wanted to do an update. After a week, I was away for a week for vacation. My plants and flowers were either dried up or were eaten. So this is their rose bush. I already deadheaded and removed the dried leaves as well as this knockout rose. So it had a lot of buds, but I think they were eaten. Like this Asiatic lily or Oriental lily, look at this, it has been eaten. And also this one, I was thinking because it was high it wouldn't be eaten, but I guess I was wrong. And also my Shasta daisy is doing okay, but my rose, True Bloom rose, completely dried up. I was so sad to see it. I removed all the leaves and now that's what's just left. And also this, the bare root rose, also dried up. And then, so my blanket flowers bloomed. The hibiscus grew bigger. I have my daylilies. One of the euchera dried up, but the other one has flowers. And then have buds. The hostas have their flower stalks. I have lots of Asiatic lilies here. Just wanted to show my yarrow. I think they were also being eaten. So yellow yarrow, lots of the stalks are broken, and then the short ones, I know they already have buds before I left for vacation, but now they're gone. And then here's the white. And here is the big hydrangea, so that's what the flowers look like. And this is our Lynetta hydrangea. So happy with it. And this caramel euchera, the first time I saw it having flowers. Also, one of our hydrangeas has bloomed. A small one, but I'm happy. And this is our bleeding heart. It's the pink gumdrop. And then our lavender has bloomed. One of other hydrangeas, and there's another small allium. Okay, and our eucharis have also bloomed. The euchera, another euchera. Petunias, already dead-headed. Lots more left. There's the red salvia from last year. And there is the Coleus. It's not as red as before when I bought it. And here's the Shasta daisies. They have bloomed, and the hosta have their flower stalks. Here is our I think that's forgot the name. It's salvia, or I forgot the name what it's called. So this is the coneflower. It survived. And the dahlia. Here, one of the dahlias dried up. Oh well. Another dried dahlia. And these are the catnip. And there's another hole here. Oh. Is our only one survived, the other half didn't survive. Oh. So that's it. Sometimes I just don't want to garden anymore. I feel so frustrated with all those critters eating whatever we are planting. Okay, that's it for now. And here is the petunias. And then Laudini Asiatic lily that I planted last week. So I think they all will be in a pot on the table because they're always being eaten or dug up. Okay.